Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to slow down your clips in Davinci Resolve 18. So to do this is pretty simple. So let's select the clip that we want to slow down right here. So let's just use our cutting tool right here, and perhaps we want to do this. So right here, as you can see, all you have to do is press right click and then locate your change clip speed. So from there you can slow it down just by holding and dragging it. So anything that's considered slow is actually from 100% below. So we'll do 50 right here. So let's do 47, and then place your ripple timeline, and then all you have to do is change. So there you go. So now it's slowed down, as you can see right here, compared to a while ago. So when we press Ctrl Z, it's gonna show that. So there you go, it just slowed it down. So there you go guys. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.